everybody, this is Jane
and Glenn
with Bridget from Glenn and Jane Adventures, and we are getting ready to go on our next adventure in just a few short days.
You're not going to want to miss us, so stay tuned. Windows.
And this is what Glenn likes to do.
What? So this is the top of the falls.
Okay.
So we're going to go to the bottom of the falls after we visit gift shop. That's cute. Right there. I see him. Right there on the wall. And unless you like the little pin instead.
No, I like this one.
They must be waiting for the restaurant. Yeah. The park rangers came up to us because we were flying our drone, and he goes, "You got a license for that?" And I said, "Yeah, I do." He says, "Do you have a Texas or a Kentucky license?" I said, "No, I don't." So
I thought it was a national license.
in Kentucky, you're required to actually have a license for state parks. So he was cool about it. He was cool about it. We just put it away, and he was cool. And then he talked to us for 20 minutes about getting one. So it was awesome.
I like this park. I like the park itself anyway.
Pretty darn cool. What do they call this? The Niagara Falls of
South.
Niagara Falls of the South. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, Niagara Falls of the Southeast. That's a scary sign.
What's that?
That's a scary sign. I'm not even touching it.
Okay. I'm gonna make you. I'm gonna make you
I will
touch
not even get off of the trail.
I'm gonna make you touch the water.
Oh, stop it. Can you imagine camping right here? Wouldn't it be amazing?
That'd be really cool.
It would just be absolutely amazing.
Okay, we found this in the stream 2 states ago, and it's one of those traveling rocks. So we're gonna place it here and see where he goes from here. Have a good time, buddy. Sand is different everywhere, isn't it?
It is. You know, you'd think sand is just sand, but it's not. Some of them it's real coarse, some of it's real, like, almost slippery. Here's it going.
See if I can get up there in my flip-flop.
Yeah.
didn't make it to the top, but I got them up there, so that counts.
That counts for something. What happened, Glenn?
I got an owie. I busted my toe and I tripped on busted my toe, and so I'm making a makeshift compression bandage.
Happened to be here the right night.
Yeah, tonight is one of the rare nights they're going to have what they call the moonbow, which is when the moon is full and the light shines down on the falls, and it has like rainbows in the falls. So,
but it only happens on a full moon.
Only happens on a full moon, and a clear night, which we have, starts at 9:30 to 10 o'clock, and they said it's going to be pretty full. We may come back.
Oh, come on, we gotta come back.
We'll see. The 4 months we spent on the stepper at home sure hasn't prepared us much for this, I don't think.
Not at all.
When this trip is over, we're not doing anything with steps anymore.
I agree.
Where are you going? You're gonna go out there?
I am.
Okay. Okay, so what was this called?
The moonbow.
A moonbow.
Yeah.
Okay. And you know why they don't call it a rainbow?
It's only one color.
Because it has no colors.
It's basically a gray archway over the waterfall.
I see more colors on people's heads than I did in that rainbow.
Yeah, pretty
Okay.
much.
All right, I get it now. And we waited how long for that?
4 hours.
4 hours. Boom. That was well worth it. I will definitely write about that one.
Hey everybody, thanks for joining us on our adventures.
You can go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on GlennJaneAdventures.com.